Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. In last class, we were discussing about tokens in Python. Identifiers or variables, keywords, which has got special meaning towards the interpreter or compiler. And under operators, we were discussing about arithmetic operators. All these arithmetic operators will act on two operands and will give you some result. In this class, we are going to continue with the other operators. Let us see relational or comparative operators. These are the relational operators you have in Python. Equal to operator, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These operators will act on the operands and it will produce the result either true or false. Consider this example: A equal to 100, B equal to 35. If you write an expression A greater than B, this greater than is operator, relational operator. It is going to act on A and B. It will give you the result either true or false. In this example, 100 is greater than 35. So this is true. Your result will be true. So arithmetic operators will give you some answer in terms of some values. Relational operators will give you either true or false as a result. The next one is logical operators. You have three operators: and, or, and not. And, or, and not. Three logical operators you have. In some situations, you need to combine more than two conditions in a program. This is one condition, A greater than B. This is another one. You want to check whether A is equal to B. And if you want to combine these two, you will be using these logical operators. If I combine two conditions using OR operator, if any one of the conditions is true, your result will be true. If you are going to combine the conditions using AND operator, both the conditions should be true for your output to be true. If any one is false, your output will be false. In this example, A equal to 97, B equal to 35. A greater than B, 97 greater than 35, this is true. A equal to B, you are checking this condition. 97 is not equal to 35, so this is false. If I combine these two using AND, if both the conditions are true, your answer will be true. In this case, this is false, so your result will be false. In this one, A greater than B, 97 greater than 35, actually your output will be true. I have written not of A greater than B, which means I have used this operator, not operator. So the answer is false. This is how your logical operators work. The next one is assignment operator. This equal to sign, equal to. This is a simple assignment operator. You can see in this example, x equal to 10. which means I have assigned the value 10 to the variable x using this assignment operator. Consider this example. A equal to B. If I write like this, it doesn't mean that A is equal to B. On the right hand side of the assignment operator, you have B. The value of B is assigned to A. So this is simple assignment operator. You have other shorthand operators, assignment operators like plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, and so on. If I write x plus equal to 20, which means take the value of x, add 20 with that, again you are going to assign, store in the same variable. It is nothing but x equal to x plus 20. Take the value of x, add 20, again store in x. In a simple way, I can write like this: x plus equal to 20. In this example, if x equal to 10, x plus equal to 20, after this statement, 20 plus 10, 30 will be stored in x. This is your assignment operator, and all these shorthand assignment operators are available. The next one is conditional operator. You remember, children, in C++, we were using this operator, question mark, colon. You remember this? This is called as conditional operator. It is also called as ternary operator. In the previous operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. All these operators will act on two operands. But conditional operator will act on three operands. That is why it is called as ternary operator. As I said, in C++, this question mark, colon, conditional operator you were using. It is like a simple if-else statement. Substitute for if-else statement. This is the syntax. This is the syntax for your conditional operator. This if, else is your conditional operator. It is going to act on three operands. The first one, test expression. This is the condition. If this condition is true, this value will be assigned. This is taken as the value of the expression, and that will be stored in the variable name on true. If this is true, this condition is true, on true, this value will be taken. If this condition is false, on false, this value, else, on false. After else you have, so if the condition is false, this value will be assigned to variable name. You see this example. Whatever you have on the right hand side of the equal to sign, assignment operator is called as expression. This expression will be evaluated and that value will be stored in this variable. So right hand side you have 50 if 49 less than 50, else 70. This is actually comment. This will not be executed. After hash symbol, whatever you have, this will be treated as comment and that will not be executed. So this is your statement. Here this is the condition. 49 less than 50. If this is true, this value will be assigned. So 50 is assigned to this variable minimum. In the next one, 49 greater than 50. This is the condition. If this condition is true, this will be assigned. In this case, this is false. So L 70. 70 will be assigned to minimum. In this example. So this is how conditional operator will work. So we learned under operators, arithmetic operators will perform arithmetic operations on operands, two operands. It will produce some result. Relational operator. These operators used for checking the relationship between the operands. And it will give you either true or false as result. The next one, logical operators. It is used for combining more than two conditions. Assignment operators and conditional operator. The next one, delimiters. Delimiters are nothing but punctuators. We'll call it as punctuators in C++. It is like punctuation marks which we are using in English language, like comma, full stop, brackets, etc. It will be useful for giving meaning to the sentence. The same way, these punctuators or symbols or combinations of symbols will be used while writing a program. These are called delimiters. These brackets, simple parentheses, will be using for creating a function. While declaring array, will be using this square brackets. So all these symbols you have to learn. We'll be discussing about these things in the forthcoming chapters. Next one, literals. Literals are nothing but constants. I'll write a statement A equal to 2. So this is an expression, you can call it as statement. Here the value 2 is assigned to the variable A. This 2 is actually constant. So there are three types of constants. Constants are called as literals. There are three types: numeric constant, string constant, Boolean constant. In this example, I have assigned 2. It is nothing but a number, integer. So that comes under numeric constant. We'll discuss all these three things with examples. Numeric literals consist of digits and are immutable, unchangeable. When we talk about numeric constants, it is nothing but numbers, I said. Again, you have three different numerical types: integer constant, floating point constant, and complex constant. Floating point is nothing but your decimal number. If I assign 10.5 to a variable, this is called as floating point constant. This same number 10.5 can be represented like this in exponent form. This is another notation. The same number 0.105 E2, which means 10 power 2. So this is an example for floating point constant. And this is complex number. Complex number can also be assigned to a variable. This is complex constant. Coming to integer constant. An integer value can be assigned to a variable, that is called as integer constant. Again, in that you have 4 categories. Last year you learned different various representations of numbers: binary representation, decimal representation, octal representation, hexadecimal representation. Remember, children, in binary you have ones and zeros. So if you are going to assign a binary number to a variable, this is binary integer. This is decimal number. This O represents octal number. So this is octal constant. This 0x represents hexadecimal number. So these numbers can be assigned to a variable. These things comes under integer constant. So integer constant, floating point, and complex constant. So all these things comes under numeric literals, numbers. The next one, string literal. What is a string, children? Set of characters. String is nothing but set of characters. Then string literal, it is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. Python supports single, double and triple quotes for a string. I'll give you example for this. A character literal is a single character surrounded by single or double quotes. The value with a triple quote is used to give multi-line string literal. Here is an example. The C within single quote. This is a character constant. A single character within single quote, even within double quotes you can give. This is called as character constant. And set of characters, this is string within double quotes. This is string constant. If you want to assign a value which will be set of characters or set of lines, you can use triple quotes. So triple quotes is used to give multi-line string literal, string constant. The next one, Boolean literal. A Boolean literal can have any of the two values. You know already. What are the Boolean values? True or false. I can assign true to a variable. I can assign false to a variable. So this is called as Boolean constant or Boolean literal. Here I have typed few sentences, statements for you, and I have executed. In the last class I showed you few statements where I was using arithmetic operators. Now in this you can see A equal to 100, B equal to 10. If I use the print function for printing the value A greater than B, this expression condition I have given here, greater than, less than symbol, these are relational or comparative operators. If I type like this, 100 greater than 10, your output will be, result will be true. See the other one, A less than B, your output is false. So I have given examples for relational operator. What is the next one? Logical operators, and or. So I have combined in this statement two conditions, A greater than B and A equal to B. I have used AND operator. For this A equal to 100, B equal to 10, A greater than B will give you true, A equal to B will give you false. Since I have combined these two with AND, result will be false. The same way, I have combined these two with OR. If you use OR operator, if any one of the conditions is true, your output will be true. So, comparative operators, logical operators. The next one, this statement you can see, A plus equal to 50. Equal to is simple assignment operator, I told you, plus equal to. What will happen in this case? A equal to A plus 50. Take the value of A, add 50, again store in A. So, after this statement, if I print the value of A, you can see it has become 150 now. Understood, children? All the operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. And we have also discussed about delimiters and literals or constants. So, we have discussed about tokens. Go through all these things and be thorough with this. We'll see in the next class.